Good morning.
Hey, Mr. Buntrock, what are you up to today?
Putting the lab together for spring.
What class do you teach, and what do you hope students learn from it?
Biochemistry 455, techniques in biochemistry and biotechnology. And I hope that students learn how to string some fundamental molecular biology and biochemistry techniques together to answer questions that we might have.
We heard you grew up on a farm in Wisconsin. If you could bring one skill from the farm to lab, what would it be?
Waking up early and getting to work right away.
Farm boots or lab coat?
Lab coat, 100%.
What's one question students ask that makes you smile?
What's your favorite technique?
What inspired you to become a teacher?
I was helping or volunteering with a geographic information systems workshop for middle school students when I was an undergrad, and I've been hooked ever since.
What do you do for fun?
I play guitar.
What song are you learning?
Iris by the Goo Goo Dolls.
And the farm skill you're proud of?
Being able to drive a tractor.
What is a science topic you could talk about for hours?
The evolution of proteins.
And what's your favorite biochemistry concept to explain to students?
The effects of equilibrium on chemical reactions, protein catalyzed reactions.
Favorite thing about Illinois winters?
They're warmer than Wisconsin winters.
And what would you tell your younger self?
Not to be so much like my older brother, actually.
What made you interested in biochemistry?
I was teaching chemistry in high school, and I realized I really enjoyed learning about how life does chemistry.
And what is a misconception about biochemistry that you would like to correct?
That it's all about memorizing chemical reactions. I think that's actually a pretty minor part of being a good biochemist.
What's something you wish more people knew about being a public school teacher?
That it's a lot of work even during the 3 months off that you get for summer.
Biggest difference between teaching high school versus being a college instructor?
The sort of depth of content that we get to cover and the nuance that we get to address it, I think, is really interesting to me.
And what was your childhood dream?
To be a cowboy.
If you had to choose a different career path, what would it be?
I think something in the agricultural biotech field would be really interesting.
Most surprising similarity between farm life and lab life?
How ready you have to be for things to go differently than expected.
And who's your biggest cheerleader?
My cat, Jinx.
Can you show us a picture? And what is one rule you live by in the lab or as an instructor?
Always have a backup plan ready.
3 words to describe MCB.
Diverse, helpful, and dynamic.
And that's all the questions we have for you. Thank you so much.
Okay, thanks for joining me this morning. Take care.